All right, welcome back. We back for another day. This is day 2 of the week. Today, our realized loss was $58. It should have been 39, but it's 58. But at the same time, our day's gain was 62. Let me full screen that. It's 62. So technically, we're up like $4 on the day, basically break even. I'll explain more about what happened and everything. But yeah, I took 3 trades today. Spy, I'll show you right here. Spy, Wolf, and Wolf. Let me explain. Okay. Basically break even today. So I'll show you how. So the first things first, or the first trade of the day was Wolf. Now, Andre, what happened today? Well, let me show you. So, what did happen today? I totally fucking forgot. Okay, this is market open. I took Wolf at. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm remembering. Okay. So, first entry on Wolf was right here. Let me mark it out for you guys. It was like right here. And then our stops were at like 933. Okay, now I'm remembering, right? This was our first entry. So basically, why I took this entry was because of the fact that we had a downtrend and then we had a really nice bounce. Like if I were to put this on the 30-minute chart, probably look even better. Yeah, look at this. On the 30-minute chart, look at we start opened right here and then we came down to the 21 MA and we had a nice bounce of the 21 MA and we were looking for the continuation up. Now, what happened and why I got out of the trade was, let's go on the smaller time frame so I show you what the day by day. We had that bounce and I was looking at it and I was waiting for the entry. I waited for the pullback and got a little like entry right here for a target of these highs. So, the risk reward was really good. 0.23 for a 1. That's like, dude, that fucking risk reward is like 6 to 1. So, that's really good. But anyways, what happened was we broke out, we came out here, and then QQQ started dumping. I'll show you more about that in 1 second. QQQ started dumping. It brought Wolf and literally every stock with it. So we went straight to stop. We went past the 50 MA, past the 21A, past the 9 MA. It broke all my rules, or I followed all my rules, and I got out at 9.33. What happened next is going to kill you, or it's going to kill me. Right when we got stopped out at 9.33, we bounced and went past my breakout or past my level I entered and continued all the way to breaking out here. Look at this. Just look at this. It's beautiful. It's like Picasso beautiful. Right when we got that bounce, I entered here, by the way. This is my first entry, and then I got stopped out, and I lost about $80. So I got stopped out here. Right when I got stopped out, it instantly went back up and just continued. Just continued. Hour after hour after hour. If I stayed in this and did not take out, I would have been up 120 on the day. I followed my rules. There's nothing else I could have done. So, anyways, that's what happened. I personally wanted to kind of stay in here because, but like, even it broke with a fucking 9 MA. So, like, I didn't want to stay in it because it could have gone even lower. But, anyways, it broke. I followed my rules. I kept to my stop loss. It broke, and then I took a re-entry when it came up here. So I took the second entry right here at 9.78, and I put my stop loss at the I think it's the hourly 21 MA. So like right here. My stop loss is at 9.44, and I'm targeting these highs, and we're already like I already hit partials. So I already took partials. I already secured about $50 of profit. right here at this level, 10.25. You can see right here is resistance. My second TP is right here at this level at 10.69. So yeah, that's my full TP. But this is just a fucking hassle today. Just crazy. It ran, bro. 12%. 12% on the day. 12% straight Diddy candle to the top. Crazy. Like, look at this. Consolidation on the daily chart. We got a nice breakout right here. All I'm looking for is continuation. Now, I'm going to have a trailing stop on the 9 daily MA. That's what I'm doing. I'm holding this. I'm swinging this for as long as I freaking can. So, let's get it. Wolf, I'm in. Let's go. See what happens. TEM, second one. I told you I was going to be watching this. Look at this. Same thing that happened on Wolf. It had a nice rejection off of the 9 daily MA. Look at that rejection. Nice hammer candle. It's not the beautiful. It's not like A++, but it's definitely a good, like a B+. Okay, so this is a B+ setup. I just took a light size on this. Tight stop loss at the hourlies, 21 MA. You can see, you're kind of getting the gist of how I'm rolling and shit like that. But we broke out, right? Not a bullish candle. Again, this is not the best setup in the world, but I do want to be in this just in case it runs, right? Post, we're at 80.63, so not the greatest. We're definitely dumping, but what I'm looking for again is a break of this 21 MA, or sorry, a rejection of this 21 MA. If we get a break below it, then I'm going to cut my losses for a small loss. Simple as that. Okay? That's me. But this is currently what I'm in. We're going to see what's happening. I'm break even currently on this trade. No pluses, no minuses. So that's what TEM is looking like. What Wolf is looking like, again, I'm basically break even on the day. Yeah, I'm basically break even on both trades, TEM and Wolf. So today was basically a no trade day. I did take a trade on SPY, which literally could have played out on the short term. I was looking for a break of this zone right here. We got the break. We went straight to my TP. But unfortunately, I got stopped out before we did it. I took it like right here on this candle. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, you can see it. I took a break on right here on this candle. We instantly went back and hit my stop loss. So I took a small loss of like 20 bucks on that. I kind of just did it because I just wanted to like have fun. But again, that's not going to make me profitable. So do not do that on trade next time. I will not do that next time. Now let's take a look at the markets overall today and kind of what happened. So we're consolidating. It's pretty obvious. You can see right here, this is our support. We bounced perfectly off that support with a hammer candle. So tomorrow we're going to have news, I'm pretty sure. Let's see here. Tomorrow's Wednesday. Yeah, we have PPI news right in the morning. So we'll see how everything happens and everything works. But yeah, so it just kind of looks like we're consolidating right here at this level. We have a daily candle, an inside daily candle here, and it's just squeezing, to be honest. Like, it's really just squeezing. Like, if I were to actually just like do a little trend line right here, it's just squeezing. I feel like it's just gonna get super super tight. Pause, and we're just gonna break out to either side. But either way, that's kind of what's happening. Is we just consolidated all day, and there were some fake outs, there were some good entries. NIO was something I was watching today. Look at what happened here. This is insane. We had an amazing break of this level on the 5-minute chart. Look at this. On the 5-minute chart, I was looking at this zone right here. Break for 10 minutes. We ran crazy profits up to this resistance. We hit this resistance. We went all the way back, hit our stop loss, consolidated, and then went back to the resistance. Like, you can just see how this today was just such a weird ass day to trade. I probably should not have just touched anything, but I'm at least in two positions, TEM and Wolf. And I know I told everyone that I was only going to take one a day, but I took three. So I'm not following my rules in that center. But we'll see how they play out. I'm kind of redoing it. SPY was technically not a trade. I should have even taken that, so I technically only took two trades. But yeah, that's that. That's today. It was a pretty difficult day. I cannot lie. And I had fucking 8 to 13 assignments due today, and I got like 5 hours left. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna check you guys out tomorrow. Pause. This looks insane. Like, look at Wolf in the post market. Post market's hitting our final TP. Like, bro, let me just see, like, real quick, like, how much I'm up. End of day. Like, dude, fucking insane. I don't know how to show you guys this. Here. Okay. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show. Okay. Here you go. Done. Oh, right here. Can you guys see that? No, you can't. Let me show you a bigger thing. Sorry, stick with me for a moment because I'm trying to show you like how much this shit ran. Like this is by the way, this is like when this is when market closed right here. So imagine tomorrow. Oh my god, are you fucking kidding me? Okay. Can you see that? $65, 74%. I got 2 contracts left. When we hit this high right here, or like close to this high, 10.64, I'm gonna trim one. I'm gonna trim one, and I'm gonna leave the last one to run. And then when that hits the 9-day moving average, I'm out. I'm officially fully out. But I'm gonna let one swing. I'm gonna keep my last trim here, and then leave my last one running. But yeah, that's that. Those are the trades I took. I'm still looking for this one right here because this one looks beautiful on the hourly, on everything. This one looks beautiful. I was looking for an entry here. It didn't hold the 5 minute. I stuck to my rules there. It did not hold the 5 minutes, so I did not look at that. PSKY also broke out, I think. Oh, what happened here? Oh, it broke out but then failed. Interesting. PSKY actually broke out and then looks like we actually failed. So good thing I didn't take that. EOS, IonQ also ripped. Oh my god! Look again, guys. Look at how perfect this fucking stock is. Look at tight. It would just get tighter and tighter and tighter. Pause. And then we just go right there. We're just following that resistance, riding off the 21 MA. Boom. We just rip. IonQ was a beautiful trade. So if someone took that, I know some people in my community definitely took that, but that just looked amazing. Like right here, when you got a break of that level right there, you could have had it with the stop at the 21 hourly MA, and then you could go to here. Like, look at that return on investment. It just keeps running. So IonQ looks beautiful as well. I'm gonna also be looking for Tesla. Nope, never mind. Tesla's not looking really good. Post, we're at 347, so maybe Tesla's not gonna be ready tomorrow. But again, I'm still looking for Tesla break above 355. So sorry this was a little longer video, but you guys get the gist. Today was a difficult day. Tomorrow was PPI, and then Thursday we have CPI, and then Friday we have consumer sentiment. So the rest of the week is gonna be pretty difficult as well, and we'll just see what it brings. But I got assignments to do. I'm fucked, and let's go. All right, peace out. See you tomorrow.